Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. And if you're enjoying all these reviews, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And we'll get you more reviews. All right, let's flip this over and see what we have. This comes from FGNormal store. And I was going to see when I ordered. I ordered this on the 21st. And today is the 17th. It took it a little bit. I'm not sure why or what was going on. But let's get into it. Let me get this out of its bag. All right. Flip it over. This is an 11 count. And it's a 40 by 53. And you'll see exactly why I got this, because look at all the blues. Will you ever look at all the blues? Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It does have the product number, how big it is. It's 148 by 204. But I just love that blue tiger and that girl's face. And then you have this bright, I don't know if it's a lotus or not. I'm not real sure of what it is, but it was just a pretty picture. How's that? Does have the product, you know, how to start, how to finish, little instructions. Nice big paper pattern. This has 40 colors. Oh my goodness. 40 shades of blue, right? Yay. But just very nicely printed. I don't see any smears. I don't see any stains or anything on there. Very, very nice. And let's see what we got for colors. No 550 purple, no 310 black. It has 823, which is that dark blue. It does have some 939. It has 996. 996, which is kind of a medium cerulean blue. It's almost this color, only like if you can take it up a shade. Very nice blue. No 3865, no 3371. Yeah, we'll have to take a look at the threads, but this is very nicely printed. I can't tell if it's got confetti or not until I look at the canvas. Now the paper pattern will match the canvas, so let's take a look at the rest of this and those beautiful colors. And we have puppy dogs today. It has 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. Put that over there for right now. It does come in its own bag, all the threads. I can already see the yumminess. Get it out of here. But put that down there for right now, making a noise. So we have a hank of 3750. Very pretty color. Kind of a dark royal blue. Whoop. Avalanche. Now come on, there's not that much there. And 823. Very pretty, like a navy. And 1939. So there is your background-ish colors right there. Can almost tell a difference, but I think in the light, you know, after you get it stitched, it'll be cool. You'll be able to see them. Let's take a look at these. I see turquoises. I see regular blues. I see teals. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You got some gold. Kind of a taupey brown, if you will. I don't know how to explain that color. But very, very nice. Lots of turquoise, like I said. I'm losing my voice already. Teals, kind of a coral color here. Turn that around. You do have some purple, but mostly different shades of blue, blue-green, teal, turquoise. Yeah, this is going to be gorgeous. Ugh. Loving it. Let's just hope that the canvas is not, you know, totally nothing but confetti. No, I don't think it is. I'm seeing part of it. But those colors, oh, can you ever? Just yumminess. Get a hold of it. Get all the little things all together so nobody gets lost. I opened a kit. I mean, it's been a couple of years. And it was supposed to have a hank of 310 black. I have no idea where that 310 black got to, if it got into another kit. So now we roll, if it has a hank, I roll it in with the threads. And that way it's all ready to go to put into a bag, you know, one of my plastic bags. And I don't lose anything. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't set it aside, because after a while, you know, you won't. You won't know what's going on. Let's look at that canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Let me get all of its little fuzziness out of the way. Up. And this is kind of long and skinny, which is nice. It's good size for your lap. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Has a nice key that runs down the side. Let me look at the canvas. And, you know, since it's 11 count, it's easy to see all of the colors. Very nice. I do not see a lot of confetti in this. I'm pretty happy about that. It's got confetti a little bit here or there, but it's bigger areas, then a little bit medium areas, and then a few smaller areas. So it's nice, well balanced, and very easy to read key and see all your symbols, because each one of those lines is about, it's a scant quarter of an inch, you know, so it's easy to see. I'm going to measure this, put that way, because it's a little bit easier. It is, if I can get a hold of it, okay, it is 54 centimeters that way, or 21.5. And this way it is 40 centimeters, or 15.5. Actual picture size is, looks close to 13.5 inches, or 34 centimeters. And this way is 48 centimeters, or 19 inches. So, not too big. And, you know, it does have some big area right up in here. So, the big areas are kind of scattered. But, you know, do a little bit at a time and it'll all get done. I think I'd want to start on the face and the tiger over here, just to see what that's all going to look like. And then as you're going along, just work on some more, you know, of the bigger parts. Because there's some bigger part here and there. So very nice. Yep, I like that. I like, it's very well done. And the picture is, let me look. I gotta get it the right way. It's close enough up that you're gonna get all these details. And it doesn't have a whole lot of background details that will, you know, yes, sure, you like them, but dang, no, you can't even tell what it is if there's a whole bunch of details. So I think this is going to turn out gorgeous. Yeah, I can hardly wait. And that one was $9.95. Now this next one is a 14 count. I don't know what I was thinking, but it was $13.69. And I got this stamped, because this comes in either stamped or counted. Yes, it's stamped. Hang on, let me get it out of its bag so we can lose all the glare and stuff. get it out. I don't know if I'll ever get it back in. But I've never seen anything like this from Joy Sunday. Comes in the Joy Sunday bag. Very reusable, lovely, heavy duty. All right, are you ready? Look at this. It's like a sampler. It says pattern. Yeah. It's a 58 by 59. And it is stamped. Comes with a nice booklet that they just kind of mooshed on the edges, but it's fine. Trying to get to the colors here. Okay, now, this is one of the newer ones. So, it has, this is on the paper pattern, and this is on your canvas. So, I haven't seen too many of those, but I haven't ordered too many. This is broke up into several spaces. It does have, into sections. So each page, go to page 12, and you'll get whatever's on page 12. So you can do it in sections. I just love this. I saw this. I can't remember whose side it was on. Scream out if you've got this. Yeah, I wanted to do this. So, let's see. Need a little drink here. We're getting there. But, yeah, I just thought it was so different for Joy Sunday, you know? Where did I... Oh, sorry, it's on the other side. So this has full stitch, back stitch, and French knots. And a nice big pattern to see what's going on. Has a lot of back stitching through the middle. Just kind of odd. I've just never, ever seen this before. It's different. Very different. Yeah. So, but I'm thrilled sick that it's printed. So, yeah. That's the plus side. All right. So, it comes with 2 needles. You've got 2 colors there, kind of a cream color here, kind of a brick red, only it's more on the brown tone. It's not on the red side. And kind of a tan. Let me get this shook out. Everybody's kind of mooshed at the end. They didn't want to separate there. You got some olive green. Look at all that olive green. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I thought this was just too different to pass up. It does have the product number that's on the front of the paper. And this is one of those cards where it tells you in the red, that's how many strands of the color you have. Then you have your DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. So very nice. Very kind of antique-y looking colors, if you will. So very nice. Love it. So we'll have to get this started. Not sure how this is all going to go, but you know, hey, let's take it out. I don't know if I can measure this because it's kind of wide and then it goes long. Does have the product numbers at the top, the name of the pattern. It just says pattern. There's going to be a lot of back stitching in here when you do this, so it'll be different. It's 278 by 279, but very nicely printed. So I thought it was different. I thought it was different. See, it's very nicely printed. And then you're going to have to fill in the blank with all of that back stitching. Let me turn this just one more time. I hate to make you sick. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 colors in back stitch. It has 1 French knot color. And then 31, if I could just talk, 31 regular colors. Very easy to see. So yeah, you don't do the background. It's a partial. You just stitch all the things. So yeah, I think this is fabulous. I want to start this so much. I don't know if I can measure it or not, but we'll give it a shot here. It is 59 by, I'm trying, 59 that away. Actual picture size is 50.5 or 20 inches that away, and 19, little over 19 3/4, so we'll call it 20 inches across and 50.5 centimeters that way. So yeah, but yeah, I just thought this would be just too fun to do. They have, I want to say 2 more that are like this, and I can't begin to tell you what it is or what the theme is or anything, but yeah, I just, yeah, love this. Yep, we're gonna have to start this very soon. And nice material. It is serged all the way around, so yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. Now, that is all I got from FGNormal. They have free shipping on orders over 4 pounds. I don't know what that is in dollars and cents. I think it's maybe $50. I can't remember. I know I figured that out some other time. If they have any specials, I will put them in the description box below. They have cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, and paint by number. They also have diamond painting, so they have tools and crafts for all 3 of those. I know they do custom. They have paper quilling, wax sealing, silk screen stencils, and scrapbooking, and wool felt. I've never done wool felt. I don't know what that entails, but not this week, right? Okay. Well, do check them out and everything that they have there. I'm sure that they have something for everybody. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.